What's up, y'all? It's Monday, the 1st of March, and what I'm going to do today is I just got the adapters for the acetylene torch. So I had a cutting torch, but that got stolen with the rest of the shit. So here's the brazing tip, I think they refer to it as, and this here is the cutting torch. But I had to get those, and you have to get them specifically for this purpose because the acetylene spins backwards, so you don't mix the two up. But yeah, I'm gonna throw some tape on where these are. They're already spun on there, but I'm going to put some plumbing tape under there, turn them on real tight, and then just leave them, and then it'll have the same size. Shit, I think you guys probably get it. But yeah. Okay, here's how it looks now. Just some dollar rubber or whatever that is, sealing tape, and those are just gonna stay on there, and we'll attach these on here or whatever the correct direction is. Alright, so it's all set up, everything's hooked up here, and then we got all this turned on and to the right settings and everything. So you can see the oxygen comes out. I still got to turn it up here though, but yeah. Alright, let's try this out. Just the tiniest bit. Alright, I gotta watch a quick video on how to level the oxygen to cut properly. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna cut some. Alright, so I just watched a guy on YouTube do it. I didn't check my sources or check anybody else, but he seemed to know what he was doing. Alright, let's do it. I tried it once as well. See if I can do it again. Alright. I went a little hard on the acetylene last time though. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, so you bring it out till it stops being gross and smoky. I don't know if you can really see it. You guys probably can. Let it out to there. And then oxygen goes. And then there's a little line in there. I think that's what they call the feather. Sweet. I'm gonna go cut something. See if it works. Alright, I'm gonna do it over the fire pit. What we're gonna do is experimental run with this, it's a piece of chain link fence I picked up a while ago. It's got some paint on it, so I'll probably wear a ventilator or like a mask, but should cut through nice and easy. Okay, so the verdict is that the acetylene cutting torch is super badass. I didn't even realize that it kind of worked the way it does. It's just like a brazing torch, but then like when you hit that lever, it takes that molten metal and it pushes that jet of air into the molten metal, and it like parts it and cuts it. It just like splashes it away. It's super fucking cool. Okay, so I got the torch figured out now, and what I need is I need to put a faceplate on these like goggles that I have. They fit on for the stick welder. They fit on like this, and I'm going to turn them into like a pancake style helmet that I was like watching YouTube videos about. There's like this big plate that's usually made of balsa wood, but I have a 3D printer, so I'm just going to use that. The sparks probably hit it and melt it like a little bit, but they won't melt through if I make it like at least like 5 or 6 layers. It'll probably actually look like really badass after a while from all the burn marks. So it'll go in front of my face and then over to the left, and I might do a little bit up top too, which means that I have to relearn FreeCAD, but I need to do that anyways. Oh, I just was thinking the other day that I So I changed the name of the company from 8606 to 606 because 8606 is just like our address number, and Lisa came up with it, and I really like the idea because it's kind of uniquely arbitrary, so it'll be easy to find. But then, like, I ran into the problem of, like, I myself don't even really know exactly how to say 8606. Like, do you say it 8606? Do you say it 8606? Do you say it 8606? 8606? And it just seemed harder to remember, so I decided to take one of the numbers off, since it's arbitrary anyways, and just call it 606. Same everything. Bought the domain. Yeah, so now it's 606. It's like a area code in Chicago or something like that. But yeah, let's go say hi to Fo, and then I'm gonna go work on that other stuff. Aww. She's so soft. She came in and hung out with us during the freeze, and she didn't really like being outside. She's much happier out here. And she's got her igloo, which I'm eventually going to paint because she actually uses it. So, peace, y'all.